If you are thinking about making simple invention using a remote control, but you don't know where to get this remote control, in this video I will share with you how to extract the remote control for free and how to use it in a group of inventions. Now we will turn on the motor and the lamp at the same time. Now watch. The remote control consists of two parts. First is the transmitter. The second part is the power supply inside the car. Together we can get the remote control. Now we need the car. We turn it over and open the screws. We remove the cover or body. What model to use is that we will get an electronic board with remote control. This is electronic board that receives the signal, or the receiver, or the second part. I cut all the wires connected to the car chassis and leave only the white thread for the signal. Now we open the screw connected to the electronic board. We throw away the car body and keep only the electronic board. This is the remote control board or plate, or we can call it the receives the signal. Of course, we should not forget the transmitting device or the one sending the signal. These two devices are the one we can use to control any device remotely. We can consider that this device is number 1 and this small electronic plate is number 2. Inside this device there is small electronic board that sends the signal. It is responsible for sending the signal to this second board. In order for the remote control to operate, we need to provide a battery for the first board and the second board. This originally has a battery inside. This board also requires a small battery. In this way we can control any device remotely, like a motor or lamp. As you can see in this board, there is a bunch of information, like the name of this board and the distance it reaches and the date of its manufacture. This electronic board has a remote control distance of 27 meters. The wire is white and is for the signal or antenna. These aspects are very important and we will explain them in boring detail. The plus is the positive wire of the battery and the minus is the negative wire of the battery. Now for PF and LR, they are two parties responsible for giving use electrical energy in order to operate any device remotely, whether it is a lamp or a motor. This is a sender and this is a receiver. The first device to operate, we need to give it a 3.7 volt battery or to 1.5 volt battery. We will control these two devices remotely, the lamp and the motor, using this device first. Now we will explain how do we integrate both lamp, motor, battery and board in order to control them remotely. This is second board that receives the remote control signal. We enlarge the board to show you well. There is a plus and a minus. They are related to the battery. We place the battery in this way. We insert the red wire into the plus and the black wire into the minus. We turn the board over and then solder the wires wire. Now the battery is connected to the board well. Now where well we connected the motor. There are two places where we are connected the motor, whether this side or the other side. I will try to link it on this side. The motor has two wires, red and black. There are types of motor in which you will not find red or black, but you will find other color. We connected the motor to the board. It means the red wire white R and the black wire white the L. We insert the wires into the board and solder them well. Now we install the LED lamp. The LED lamp also has two wires. The red wires is the positive and the black wires is negative. We install and insert LED lamp wires white card white 2 letter B and F. Then we solder the wires well. Now we have integrated the battery, the board, the motor and the lamp in order to remotely control the motor and lamp. Now we will operate the motor and lamp remotely using the remote control in front of you. Now we will test whether this thing will work remotely or not. In order for the video to be more credible, as you can see, only this thing that we explain are present and there are not extra things. This is transmitter. It requires two 1.5 volt battery to operate, or you can use a single 3.7 volt battery. Since I do not have two 1.5 battery, I will use the one 3.7 battery I have. We install the battery wires directly from the sender, plus white plus and minus white minus. Then we attach the battery to the sender device. If you notice me carefully, on the left side there is the sender, on the right side there is the receiver. Now I will press the button and see what happens. As you can see, this button is used to turn on the flashlight. If we press the second button, the lamp will not work. The reason is that the lamp works in one direction. Now we will try pressing the button on the left side of the motors. Now the motor is rotating to the left. Now I will click on the button next to it. As you can see, the motor is rotated into opposite direction. It is the right side. As you have seen in this video, this is how you can use the remote control to make a group of simple invention at home, and of course for free. Now we will turn on the motor and the lamp at the same time. Notice carefully, I turn on the lamp and the same time turn on the motor. Please, if you like the video, even a little support, use by liking, subscribe and commenting to receive the last video with simple, easy and free invention at home. Before we finish the video, there are some example and models from which you extract remote control device, and you can make simple invention with them at home for free, of course.